Example, subtract 2 by 5 from 4 by 5. Solution, 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Subtraction of fractions when the denominators are different. For example, find the difference between 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. Solution, the LCM of 6 and 12 is equal to 12. So, 5 by 6 into 2 by 2 is equal to 10 by 12 and 7 by 12. Subtract smaller fraction from bigger fraction. 10 by 12 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 3 by 12, which can be simplified to 1 by 4. Subtraction of mixed fractions. For example, by how much is 8 1 by 6 less than 10 5 by 12? Solution, 8 1 by 6 is equal to 49 by 6 and 10 5 by 12 is equal to 125 by 12. The LCM of 6 and 12 is equal to 12. 49 by 6 into 2 by 2 is equal to 98 by 12 and 125 by 12. Subtract smaller fraction from bigger fraction. 125 by 12 minus 98 by 12 is equal to 125 minus 98 whole divided by 12 is equal to 27 by 12, which can be simplified to 9 by 4, which is equal to 2 1 by 4. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of a fractional number by a whole number. Rules. If the fraction is a mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. Product of fraction and a whole number is equal to product of numerator of fraction and whole number divided by denominator of fraction. Always write the answer as a mixed fraction if it is not a proper fraction or whole number. For example, 3 by 4 multiplied by 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 15 by 4 is equal to 45 by 4 is equal to 11 1 by 4. Now, find the product of 4 1 by 2 and 3 4 by 2 is equal to 9 by 2 and 9 by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 multiplied by 3 whole divided by 2 is equal to 27 by 2 is equal to 13 1 by 2. Multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. Rules. Change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Product of two fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Reduce numerator and denominator to the lowest term. The answer should always be a whole number, a mixed fraction or a proper fraction and never an improper fraction. The same rule can be applied for multiplying any number or fraction. For example, 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Let's look at some more example. For example, 2 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 5 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 whole divided by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 5 by 6. And 4 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 1 by 5 is equal to 13 by 5 multiplied by 11 by 5 is equal to 13 multiplied by 11 whole divided by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 143 by 15 is equal to 9 8 by 15. Properties of multiplication of fractional numbers. Changing the order of fractional numbers does not change the product. For example, 2 by 3 multiplied by 7 by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 whole divided by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 14 by 15 and 7 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 3 is equal to 7 multiplied by 2 whole divided by 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 14 by 15. This means 2 by 3 multiplied by 7 by 5 is equal to 7 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 3. A fraction multiplied by 1 is the fraction itself. For example, 8 by 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8 by 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to product of 8 and 1 divided by product of 9 is equal to 8 by 9. The product of a fraction and 0 is 0. For example, 14 by 23 multiplied by 0 is equal to 14 by 23 multiplied by 0 by 1 is equal to product of 14 and 0 divided by product of 23 and 1 is equal to 0 by 23 is equal to 0. Multiplicative inverse. To find the multiplicative inverse of a proper or improper fraction, interchange the numerator and denominator. To find the reciprocal of a mixed fraction or whole number, first change it into an improper fraction, then interchange the numerator and denominator. Example 1. 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1. Example 2. 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 is equal to 1. From the above two examples, we see that when the product of two fractional numbers is equal to 1, then the numerator of first is the denominator of the second. The denominator of the first is the numerator of the second. Each number in these pairs is called the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. Important facts. The reciprocal of a proper fraction is an improper fraction. For example, reciprocal of 5 by 18 is 18 by 5. The reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. For example, reciprocal of 15 upon 4 is 4 upon 15. The reciprocal of a whole number except 0 will always have a numerator 1. That is, it will be a unit fraction. For example, reciprocal of 90 is 1 by 90. The multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1. The multiplicative inverse of 0 cannot be found. Division of fractional numbers. Today we will learn about division of fractions. Let's start it with division of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction divided whole number is equal to fraction into reciprocal of whole number. Now we know reciprocals and division of fractional numbers are very simple. For example, 1 by 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 9. Here we have replaced the division symbol by multiplication symbol and the whole number by its reciprocal. Division of a fractional number. For example, 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 6. Division of a whole number by a fractional number. Whole number divided by fractional number is equal to whole number into reciprocal of the fractional number. For example, 4 divided by 1 by 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Properties of division. When a fractional number is divided by 1, the quotient is the fraction itself. For example, 2 by 3 divided by 1 is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 by 3. When 0 is divided by a fraction, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 7 by 9 is equal to 0 multiplied 9 by 7 is equal to 0. When any fraction is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 19 by 21 divided by 19 by 21 is equal to 19 by 21 multiplied by 21 by 19 is equal to 1.